Are you an adventurer, an athlete, or simply someone who demands the absolute best from their tech? Get ready to discover the Apple Watch Ultra 3, a device engineered to redefine what a smartwatch can do. This isn't just a watch, it's your most robust, intelligent, and reassuring companion yet. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is built for extremes. Its rugged titanium case and strong sapphire crystal display can withstand anything you throw at it. Dive into the unknown with 100-meter water resistance, perfect for swimming or high-speed water sports. Experience clarity like never before on its large, advanced display. It's incredibly bright, easy to read in any condition, and even transforms into a powerful flashlight when you need it most. This watch is as tough as it is beautiful. Forget daily charging with the Ultra 3's impressive battery life. Enjoy up to 42 hours of normal use, extending to an incredible 72 hours in low-power mode. Track your longest workouts with full GPS and heart rate monitoring for up to 20 hours. With GPS plus cellular, you're always connected, even without your iPhone. Make calls, stream music, and stay in touch with speedy 5G performance. The freedom to explore without limits is now on your wrist. This is the ultimate running and workout companion. Precision dual-frequency GPS, pacer, heart rate zones, and custom workouts provide unparalleled data. Track running power and training load, all powered by Apple Intelligence. Gain invaluable health insights with continuous monitoring. Get notifications for potential hypertension, irregular rhythms, sleep apnea, or unusual heart rates. Track your sleep score, daily vitals, and blood oxygen levels for a complete health overview. Your safety is paramount, and the Ultra 3 delivers. It can detect hard falls or severe car crashes, automatically alerting emergency services. Even without cell service, built-in satellite communications let you text for help. The customizable action button offers instant control over your favorite functions. Start a workout, mark a waypoint, or turn on the flashlight with a single press. It's intuitive, responsive, and designed for quick action. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is more than just a gadget. It's a statement. It's for those who push boundaries, prioritize health, and demand reliability. Customers rave about its amazing quality, outstanding battery life, and robust functionality. It's a device that truly earns its value, offering peace of mind and powerful performance. Whether for yourself or as the ultimate gift, the Ultra 3 stands out. Ready to elevate your adventures in health tracking? Explore the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and find the perfect band for your lifestyle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews.